Welcome to Global Facts. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. Everybody is looking for the next big economic powerhouse, and Mexico might just be it. Mexico is making a bold move, launching massive infrastructure projects that could reshape its future for decades to come. Across the country, construction crews are hard at work, transforming landscapes and building the backbone of a new economic era. These projects are not just about concrete and steel. They represent a vision for a more connected, competitive, and prosperous Mexico. Yet, this ambitious push comes at a cost. The government is slashing public spending in other areas, leading to tough choices. Schools, healthcare, and social programs are feeling the pinch as funds are redirected to infrastructure. A centerpiece of this strategy is the expansion of the port of Manzanillo, one of Mexico's busiest gateways to the world. By modernizing and enlarging this port, officials hope to boost trade and attract more global shipping traffic. At the same time, the country is investing heavily in its railways and highways, upgrading old routes and building new ones to connect factories, farms, and cities more efficiently than ever before. The goal is clear: to transform Mexico into a global logistics powerhouse, capable of moving goods swiftly and reliably across borders and oceans. This high-stakes gamble comes at a time when global supply chains are shifting and nearshoring is on the rise. Companies worldwide are looking for new manufacturing hubs closer to the US market, and Mexico wants to seize this opportunity. New factories are springing up, foreign investors are taking notice, and thousands of jobs could be created if the plan succeeds. For Mexico, this is a rare chance to attract investment and become a key player in global manufacturing. But the stakes are high. The country is already grappling with soaring public debt, raising concerns about how much more it can borrow to fund these projects without risking its financial stability. There's also a history of inconsistent planning, unfinished highways, abandoned rail lines, and projects that never delivered on their promises still haunt the national memory. All of this makes Mexico's infrastructure push a calculated risk, with both enormous potential rewards and significant dangers. By prioritizing infrastructure over other sectors, Mexico is betting that world-class logistics will unlock its economic potential, create new opportunities for its people, and strengthen its sovereignty in a rapidly changing world. The world is watching closely to see if this daring strategy will pay off, or if Mexico's high-stakes gamble will come at too great a cost. To truly understand Mexico's recent push to overhaul its infrastructure, we need to look at the broader context shaping these decisions. The country's ambitions are set against a backdrop of economic uncertainty and tough fiscal realities that have forced leaders to make difficult choices. Over the past year, Mexico has faced a challenging economic environment, with growth slowing and government revenues falling short of expectations. This has led to a wave of stalled or abandoned projects across the country, leaving many sites eerily quiet. In early 2025, federal investment in infrastructure dropped by nearly 30%, a dramatic reduction that sent shockwaves through the construction sector and beyond. Some sectors were hit even harder. Environmental protection, for example, saw its funding slashed by up to 95%, putting critical projects like water treatment and conservation on indefinite hold. The root of these cuts lies in mounting public debt and soaring interest payments, which have forced the government to adopt strict fiscal discipline. Balancing the books has become a top priority, even if it means sacrificing long-term investments. Historically, Mexico has struggled with chronic underinvestment in its infrastructure. Decades of poor planning and maintenance have left roads, bridges, and public facilities in a state of disrepair, limiting economic growth and quality of life. International organizations have repeatedly cited corruption, regulatory instability, and a lack of transparency as major obstacles to progress. These issues have undermined public trust and made it harder to attract private investment. Yet, amid sweeping budget cuts, one agency stands out. The Ministry of Infrastructure, Communications and Transport saw its funding surge by 62%, signaling a bold shift in government priorities. The government is making a risky but focused bet, diverting limited resources to a handful of transformative projects, such as new railways, ports, and highways. These are seen as catalysts for broader economic revival. The hope is that these targeted investments will finally break the cycle of underperformance, spark new growth, and lay the foundation for a more prosperous future for all Mexicans. The port of Manzanillo is at the center of Mexico's infrastructure ambitions. The plan, more than double its capacity to 10 million TEUs per year, making it Latin America's busiest port. This involves deeper channels, new terminals, and cutting-edge technology to speed up operations. Manzanillo is crucial for nearshoring, serving as the main entry point for Asian imports used in Mexican manufacturing. The expansion, funded by public and private partnerships, is already underway, positioning Mexico as a top choice for global manufacturers. Manzanillo's transformation is a symbol of Mexico's commitment to becoming a logistics leader. Alongside port expansion, Mexico is overhauling its rail network to create a seamless logistics corridor that will transform the way goods move across the country and beyond. Billions are being invested, with Canadian Pacific Kansas City alone committing over $4 billion in 2025. This massive investment aims to enhance the efficiency and capacity of the rail network, making it a key player in North American logistics. Upgrades include new terminals, modernized tracks, and the launch of refrigerated train services to support North America's food industry. These improvements will ensure that perishable goods can be transported quickly and safely, reducing spoilage and waste. The goal is to connect ports like Manzanillo directly to the US and Canada, creating a direct and efficient route for goods to travel across the continent. By bypassing congested roads and slashing transit times, intermodal terminals will ensure smooth transfers between trucks and trains, enhancing the overall efficiency of the supply chain. This revitalized rail system will ease highway congestion, cut emissions, and provide a more sustainable mode of transportation for goods. It will make Mexico a central hub for continental trade, positioning the country as a critical link in the global supply chain. For businesses, this means faster, more reliable supply chains, reducing delays, and improving overall productivity. For Mexico, it's a leap toward becoming North America's logistical backbone, driving economic growth and fostering stronger trade relationships with its neighbors. Mexico's road network is also getting a major upgrade, with nearly $19 billion planned through 2030. This year alone, $3.2 billion is earmarked for critical highways, rural roads, and maintenance. The focus connects manufacturing centers, rural communities, and cities to new trade corridors. Improved roads will reduce travel times, lower costs, and enhance safety, addressing long-standing business complaints. The vision is a fully integrated multimodal system where roads, rails, and ports work together seamlessly. These investments aim to bind the nation's economy and pave the way for sustained growth. Mexico's infrastructure boom is set to ripple across the economy. Construction projects are creating thousands of jobs, injecting wages into local communities. Long-term efficient logistics will lower business costs, attract foreign investment, and make Mexican exports more competitive. Upgraded roads and rails will connect remote regions to new opportunities, boosting incomes and reducing inequality. Farmers and small businesses will gain better access to markets, while national cohesion improves. On the global stage, Mexico's expanded port and rail links position it as a vital bridge between Asia and North America. This strategic shift could elevate Mexico's influence in international trade. Mexico faces a high-profile test, co-hosting the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Millions of fans will descend on cities like Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey, demanding world-class transport and urban infrastructure. Recent budget cuts have raised doubts about readiness, with experts questioning if upgrades can be finished in time. The government's targeted investments now serve both long-term strategy and the urgent needs of the World Cup. Success will showcase Mexico's ability to deliver on its promises and leave a legacy of improved mobility. The world will be watching as the tournament becomes a real-time test of Mexico's infrastructure gamble. Experts are divided on Mexico's infrastructure strategy. Financial analysts warn that heavy borrowing for select projects could create long-term instability and neglect social needs. Logistics leaders, however, argue that these investments are overdue and essential to seize the nearshoring boom. International bodies like the OECD stress that success depends on strong governance and transparent execution, not just funding. The consensus: Mexico is at a crossroads, with immense potential, but real risks. The outcome hinges on disciplined project management and the ability to avoid past pitfalls. This is a defining moment for Mexico's economic future. Mexico's infrastructure gamble is a global story. Its success could stabilize North American supply chains, boost global trade, and lift millions into prosperity. The 2026 World Cup adds urgency, serving as a public test of Mexico's resolve. The world is watching for lessons in ambition, risk, and execution. Will Mexico's bold vision become reality? The stakes are high, not just for Mexico, but for its partners and competitors. The next chapter in this story is just beginning.